So for this problem, we are going to use a ratio that a sector angle over the angles in a circle is equal to sector area over area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So you're using this ratio that a sector is a portion of a circle to set up a ratio. So the angle of this sector, I said 360 degrees, but we're actually in radians here. So let's go ahead and make that 2 pi since there are 2 pi radians in a circle. So that would be 3 pi over 5 is the sector angle divided by the total amount of angle or total amount of radians in a circle is equal to sector area. I'll go ahead and just call this x over, and then if your circle is